Situated at around 2000 meters above sea level and surrounded by lush tea plantations, Nuwara Eliya is the main hill resort of Sri Lanka and the heart of the tea industry. Nuwara Eliya is a good escape for those who miss cool breeze in tropical Sri Lanka at any time of the year. Nestled in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, Nuwara Eliya is a heaven for nature lovers seeking tranquility and breathtaking landscapes. This serene destination offers a blend of misty mountains, tea estates, and cascading waterfalls. Today, we are exploring Galways Land National Park, the only national park located within city limits just a few kilometers east of Nuwara Eliya and one of the most unique wildlife refuges in the country. Galways Land National Park was first declared a wildlife sanctuary on 27th May 1938, a time when environmental protection was still in its early stages in Sri Lanka. Nearly 7 decades later, on 18th May 2006, this sanctuary was elevated to the prestigious status of a national park. Because of its remarkable montane ecosystems, a type of high elevation habitat found in only a few places on the island. This is the footpath of Galways Land National Park. Once I enter into the national park, just after the entering into the national park, I observed Strobilanthes species. This is Strobilanthes calycina. Strobilanthes calycina also mass blooming in October 2025. One of the most interesting aspects of Galways Land is its size. At just 27 hectares, it's one of the smallest national parks in Sri Lanka and also one of the youngest. This park plays a vital role in preserving biodiversity right in the heart of Nuwara Eliya. It offers a rare opportunity to experience a natural forest ecosystem within walking distance of the city. The other side of the footpath, I observed another species. This is called Strobilanthes ansep. The park features a clearly marked 2 kilometers walking trail, short, safe and perfect for families and young children. It's an easy track, but one that feels enchanting. As you walk deeper into the trail, you are greeted by layers of green, bird song and the cool mountain air unique to Nuwara Eliya. This is Strobilanthes arnotiana. I observed this species in Galways Land National Park. So, Galways Land National Park is so much more than just a small forest. It's a biodiversity hotspot, a critical conservation area, and one of the most accessible and enchanting wildlife experience in Sri Lanka. So, why is Galways Land National Park so important? Because it protects rare plants found nowhere else. It shelters endemic birds at the heart of the town. Because it allows children and families to reconnect with nature, and it reminds us that even small green spaces can hold incredible biodiversity. If you ever find yourself in Nuwara Eliya, take a couple of hours to walk this serene, wonderful land. It's peaceful, educational, and deeply rewarding. However, like many natural habitats, Galways land faces threats. Invasive species such as Strobilanthes inolifolium and Agitarum riparium have spread rapidly, competing with native plants and altering the natural structure of the forest. Additionally, old eucalyptus and cypress plantations, once introduced as commercial timber, still exist and influence the soil and water systems. Managing these threats is crucial to preserving Galways land delicate ecosystem. This park acts as a vital sanctuary for species that are found only in Sri Lanka's highlands. It's a refuge, a safe haven, ensuring their survival. Its unique montane ecosystem and the presence of both native and invasive species make it a crucial site for scientific study and understanding climate and conservation. By being right here in the city, it provides an unparalleled opportunity for people, locals, and tourists alike to connect with and understand the importance of wildlife conservation. It's a gateway to nature for everyone. Keep your eyes open for the Sri Lankan wild boar and the shy barking deer. But the real stars of the show are the birds. In fact, along with the nearby Victoria Park, Galways Land is considered the most significant birding site in all of Sri Lanka. At any given time, you could spot between 10 to 30 endemic species. That's birdwatcher's dream, all contained in this tiny accessible space. And it is not just the fauna. The park is decorated with incredible flora. Galways Land is equally special for its plant life. The forest is decorated with colored native flora including Strobilanthes calcina and Strobilanthes enceps. But one plant makes this park truly incredible. Strobilanthes anatoniana, a rare and endangered species. Galways Land is the only known location where this species naturally occurs. This alone highlights the park's ecological value.
Hi guys, I am in Galways Land National Park. This is one of the smallest national park in Sri Lanka. However, it is really beautiful. It is situated in Nuwara Eliya town. This is a walking distance from the Nuwara Eliya town, around 1 kilometers from Nuwara Eliya town. So, however, it is a kind of disturbed for us. In addition to the disturbed for us, I can observe many native species. Today, actually, I came here because of the mass flowering season of Strobilanthes, after several years. Probably some of the Strobilanthes species are blooming once in a year or after 6 years, or maybe some of the species blooming, some of the species mass flowering in after 12 years. So with this synchronization of different flowering, different species in flowering, or different flowering seasons after synchronization of 12 years. So this is the ideal ideal season for observing mass flowering of Strobilanthes species. Today I identified 3 species in Galways Land National Park. One is Strobilanthes calycina, another one is Strobilanthes ansep, and another one is one rare species, Strobilanthes arnotiana, also I observed. So these 3 Strobilanthes species I observed in Galways Land National Park. I request all of you to visit the Galways Land National Park, but please remember that protect the nature and protect this kind of valuable ecosystem. That is my request. Thank you.